In this video, we're going to take a look at how we go about importing our RTC360 data into Cyclone Register 360. To start this process, we need to create a new project. By clicking on the Create New Project button, we're then prompted to name the project that we want to create. Once we have the project created, we can then simply drag and drop our RTC360 data into the Drag Files Here area of Register 360. You can see that a sitemap preview of our data has been generated before we import. On the right hand side, we can see the import settings that we have whenever we're importing and registering our scan data. From here, we can choose whether or not we're working with black and white scan targets, sphere scan targets, whether or not we want to do an auto cloud to cloud alignment whilst importing the data. We also have the option to use Smart Align if we're working with data from the likes of our BLK360, and we can also use pre-registered if we're importing data from another source that's already been registered. Our additional import options include being able to import our images at this stage, and we also have the option to filter our data down by distance. Once our settings are set, we can simply click on the import button on the bottom right hand corner to import our data. Once this is completed, you'll be greeted with a message to tell you that it successfully imported the data that you wanted to import. If I look on the right hand side, I can now see the information about the bundle that I've created when I imported. This will include how many setups I've completed, how many links that I've created, how many points of data that I've collected, and also information about the links that the software has created. The next step in this process is to then move to the review and optimize stage.